It's alive.
It's alive?
It's breathing. Holy crap. What do we do?
Call me outside.
Hey, kitty.
Is your eyes open?
Yeah. Should we give him some water?
Water? You want to get water?
Yeah. Awkward. Salte, macho.
Oh God!
Just like, whatever you do, don't do it that way.
Pick up the cat.
Oh goodness.
God.
Dude, it was like
You gotta grab it from the stomach. You grabbed it from like the head, so the tail. They're just nasty. You got it? Alright.
He's determined. Yeah, he wants to throw up.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh!
You guys are playing with a dead cat.
Hold on. Wait, okay, I need some.
See if you find two.
Oh, I smelled it for the first time. Oh, that's bad. I finally smelled it.
Ew, the place.
Oh, that's really bad. It finally hit me. I should have done it while I hadn't smelled it. He's gonna hook it. I'm gonna put this on one side. And then
Yeah, you guys.
I'll show him, okay? Okay, which way are you going from? The right?
Yeah, you guys, Jumpy, you get one and you...
I'll shovel it, okay? Okay, which way are you going from? The right? Like right here?
Go in the middle, Jumpy.
I'm gonna get it. No, go from right here, the stomach. Come back.
It's too heavy.
Yeah.
That's why. Ready?
I got it, don't worry, I'll stay over there. You're gonna go from there?
Oh, what does she really want to do?
Yeah. Get away from me, bud. Oh! Push it up. I got it.
Somebody got a hold of
Oh my
Head start!
Now you gotta close the bag.
Come on, go.
Oh, you, man. Big boy.
Oh, it smells!
Oh, it smells.
Chopper.
As we